Hi there, how are you all students? I hope you all are doing well. As you all know, I am Mr. Prithviraj. I am your biology teacher for 8th class. I hope you all know me. In our last class, we have read about reproduction, in which we have gone through asexual reproduction in the case of animals. In this class, we will be learning sexual reproduction in animals. And I already told you what exactly do you mean by sexual reproduction, what exactly do you mean by asexual mode of reproduction. In asexual mode of reproduction, there is no fusion of gametes. In sexual mode of reproduction, fusion of gametes will be taken place. So these are the two clear-cut divisions which you need to understand. Now, what I wanted to tell you is that when we have divided these gametes into clear-cut divisions, when we have got an idea that how what are exactly are asexual reproduction and types of asexual reproduction, now I need to tell you what exactly are sexual mode of reproduction in a little bit of descriptive manner. Let us remind our 7th class. In 7th class, we have read about reproduction in plants sexually. There we have taken male part of the plant, female part of the plant, then how these all happening, pollination, cross-pollination, everything we have read now. Let me remind you a little bit. There will be a plant where you can see male part, which contains pollen grains, right? And these pollen grains are contained by anther and filament. This is called as anther. Means this particular form is called anther, and this is your filament. This tube is called filament. Isn't it? Male flower where pollens will be there. Here pollens will be there, and this is called anther, which contains it. And the pipe is called as filament. This we have read. And again we have gone through female plant. This kind of structure was there. Isn't it? This kind of structure was there. This is called as stigma. This was called as stigma. This was style. This is called as ovary. And here this is called as our egg cell. Female egg cell now. So these were there. What was happening? Suppose pollen grains from your anther will fall upon stigma. Now sir, how they will fall upon? They will be falling by self-pollination or by cross-pollination. Sir, self-pollination means most of the flowers in this world contains both of them. Like some contains pollen grains and both male and female part, and some parts are directly female and some are male. And here pollination will be done by bees or butterflies. They do help in pollination. So here, suppose it is pollination done by bee. A pollen grain reaches from this part to this part. When it falls, what will happen? This particular pollen grain will travel through the style and it will reach up to your ova. And after reaching up to ova, they both will be what? They both will try to combine, and after combination, what will happen? Zygote will be formed, and that zygote will later turn into a fruit, and from that fruit you will get flower, and again you will be getting lot of seeds and all. And in this way reproduction is done. Here also what happened? A male cell combined with female cell. So if it is happening in the same plant, you will call it self-pollination. If it is happening in two different plants, you will call it as cross-pollination. You have read all of it. I have reminded you because in your book it is given. In your book it is given, so I have reminded it. Now, the same way here, as the female bodies are having different kind of parts, the same way male in humans also, both male and female reproductive systems are there. First thing is, why reproduction is necessary? First thing is, reproduction is necessary to maintain a population of particular organism. If reproduction won't happen, an organism will be vanished. You know white horned rhinoceros, they have vanished. Yes. In 2019, the last white rhino was vanished. now you cannot reproduce because no white rhinos are left in this entire world. In order to stop that kind of extinction, for any kind of animals, they do reproduce. They try to they try to communalize. They try to grow their population in a manner where there is no threat of extinction. Okay. Please pardon that word called communalization. Okay, that is not used. That should not be used. Now let us understand how reproduction is happening in human being. In human being, reproduction will be taken place with the help of two organisms. One is male reproductive system. Okay, other one will be female reproductive system. There is a male, there is a female. Human is a very complex animal. So to understand its reproductive system, we need to go through several classes. So first in this class, I will explain you what exactly is male reproductive system. In another class, I will explain you what is female reproductive system and rest of the topic. Okay. Now let us understand what exactly is male reproductive system. Students, a male reproductive system has four important parts. A pair of testes, a pair of your seminal ducts, okay, and an important part called as penis. There are three important parts which are there in male reproductive system. So let us draw the male reproductive system, how it looks like. So nothing, you have to draw a uterus. Okay, after drawing uterus, you will do seminal vesicles, and after seminal vesicles, what you need to do? They will be combined. Okay, and you will draw one straight line here, another straight line, and diagram is pretty important. This may come in your exam. Okay, and there is a clear cut division of pipe in it. Okay, and now what you need to do, here you will draw one egg like structure for both of it, and now you will start making another pipe like this here around it. You will make this kind of pipe, and now here what it need to be, this pipe need to be connected to this. Okay, and same as here, another pipe will come. You can start from here also. It should be connected like this. Okay, so this is what the male reproductive system looks like. Okay, here the important parts are need to be mentioned, and it is very important diagram for your entire exam. I hope you all are paying close attention to it. Okay, now here what I need to see, this is called uterus. Labeling is very important. This is called seminal duct. Two seminal ducts are there. Here one seminal duct is there one seminal duct is there. This pipe and that pipe. Then a pair of testes are there. A pair of testes are located, right? And along with that, there is a penis which is located, which is known as the urogenital duct. Okay, there are four important parts which are located in male reproductive system. Now let us know the work of each and every part of male reproductive system. First thing is testes. Testes is the most important male reproductive part where sperms are produced. The male reproductive cells called sperms are produced. First point you will write, the testis produces sperms which are necessary for the formation for the process of reproduction. First thing, the pair of testes are located outside the abdominal cavity. They are not inside located in the body, they are located outside the abdominal cavity, and they are protected by a membrane-like structure called as scrotum. It is protected by membrane-like structure, and that membrane-like structure is called as scrotum. That membrane-like structure is called as scrotum. It's very important to understand. Why they are located outside the abdominal cavity? Because for the formation of sperm, the temperature need to be low. Our body temperature is suppose 27 or something, suppose 30 degrees centigrade. The outside body temperature is less than 2.5 degrees centigrade, and that is ideal condition for the formation of sperms. So that is why this particular these particular organs are located outside the body. Now these pipes you can see. These pipes are called as your seminal ducts or vas deferens. You will learn what is their most complex names are vas deferens. Now what is the work of seminal ducts? Seminal ducts are located, means they started from your ureter and connected with penis connected with your testis. They start from testis and they connected, looping around ureter, they connected with your what? Penis. Is that clear? Okay. Now the work of seminal duct is to transport sperms from testis to the penis. Okay, the transportation of sperms is done by seminal duct from testis to the penis. Is that clear? Okay. Here another glands are also there. Some glands are there. Those who provides nutrition for sperms also. Those glands are not given in your book, although I'll explain. Here seminal vesicle will be there. Seminal vesicle is a gland which will provide seminal fluid and it makes the sperms nutritious. So that is the one part. And in this way, this whole system works. And the most important part is penis. Penis is the part which will allow us to transport the male genetic cells or male gamete cells into the female gamete cells, into the body of the female gamete cell. Okay? So this is what people need to understand. This is our entire male reproductive system, and I explained each and every part of male reproductive system as I could. The diagram, the working principles, how it happens, everything you have learned. I hope you can write in exam. This is the most expected question. Okay, it will come for sure. If I would be the person who is conducting the exam, I will definitely ask this question. So please try to pay keen attention to this particular class. We will meet in our next class with new topic, female reproductive system, as well as some other topics. Until then, bye.